Demystifying variable types. Whenever you're working with someone else's code, you might not know what the variable type necessarily is. Variables can go through a lot of different states, and maybe a variable is a list at one point or an array. Maybe it's an object at another point. Maybe it's a string at another point. Maybe it's a number at some point. Ideally, that doesn't happen, but occasionally it does. And you can always run a particular function called typeOf. And so to run from that last lesson, I had a variable called course, and it was a string, and I can do typeOf, and then put the variable name in there, and it's a string. Let's also go ahead and make a list, an array. So ARR is equal to just an empty list, an empty array, and we could say typeOf ARR, and this is going to look funny because it actually says it's an object, but if we do ARR, proto, it's an array. So you just got to be a little bit careful with that one. Let's go ahead with const boolean is equal to false. And then we can do typeOf boolean. It is a boolean indeed. And if we do boolean, we can see that it's false. We can do that with any variable at any point in time. Now, what I would like you to do, go ahead and give this a shot. Create a new variable. Create a few different variables. Try creating a boolean, try creating an object, try creating an array, try creating a string, and then run typeOf on all of them. This should really only take you about 2 minutes. When you're done that, let's go ahead and talk about casting data types like a wizard.